Hi, my name is Thomas and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video I want to check out the difference in strength of three glues. In particular, Titebond Original, Gorilla Glue and Titebond 3. So check out the video. So today I just want to check out how strong the bond is of these three glues. By all means, this will not be a scientific experiment, but I actually wanted to check them out for a very long time. I've prepared some wood for this experiment, just some studs that I had lying about in my workshop, obviously pine. And we're gonna use the weakest joint possible, which is the butt joint like that. So we're gonna apply the wood, and we actually gonna do 2 for each glue. That will give us some interesting information as well. If the same glue on 2 occasions have the same strength, then we've done the glue up correctly, and it will give us more accurate reading. So we're just gonna take averages from both of the trials for each glue. So let's glue these bad boys up. Right, everything's glued up and I'm going to leave it till tomorrow after when I come back from work. We're going to unclamp these bad boys and we're going to see how strong that connection, those glues, actually are. Okay, so everything's ready for the big test, and my setup is based on my MFT style tabletop. If you're not consider making one, a bench that's utilizing the dog holes, I do recommend it. It really comes in handy even with absolutely silly things like this. So check out my video. I'm gonna link it up above and down below in the description. How a really cheap jig from eBay can transform any of your workbenches, or to be fair, they don't have to be super aligned, just making sure they will fit your dogs. But yeah, definitely worth making, guys. I'm going to be using this crane scale. It goes up to 300 kilograms, and that will indicate how much pressure, how much force we have to use to actually break those joints. And for each trial, I'm just going to note it down and we'll see what happens. Let's not forget the safety gear. We'll start with Titebond 3. Well, that went pretty quick. Let's try the second glue up with Titebond 3, just to make sure the resistance is exactly the same. And now it's time for Titebond Original, the red bottle. We'll go through both of the two tests of this glue to get the right readings. And now it's time for the Gorilla Glue 2 trials. Right then, and it's time to crunch the numbers from the experiment. Obviously, by all means, is nothing scientific, but I think you already noticed that Gorilla Glue actually has been the best when it comes to the strength, which I'm really surprised. Right then, so let's go quickly through the results. So Titebond 3, the first glue that we've done, we managed to get 18.80 kilograms of pressure. In the second trial, 19.85. So the average between them is 19.32 kilograms of pressure. And the second glue, Titebond Original, in the first trial, 18.98. And in the second trial, 19.90. So an average of 19.44. So as you can see, between the Titebond 3 and the Original, there's not much difference. They're more or less the same when it comes to strength of bonding. But when we get to the Gorilla Glue, it's a bit of a surprise. In the first trial, 25.85. So that's a massive difference. But on the second trial, it was 28.90 kilograms of pressure. And obviously an average of 27.37. So as you can see, it's a really big difference. I think I've got my new favourite glue sorted, Gorilla Glue. Who would have thought? I really honestly thought that Titebond Original will actually be the strongest where it comes to the bond. But yeah, I was wrong. I'm pretty surprised with that, guys. What did you think? Did you think Gorilla would be the best one, or actually the Titebond? Yeah, I think I'm going to be changing my glues to Gorilla Glue. Quite an interesting finding. If you found this video informative or interesting, drop me that like button down below. I also encourage you to check out my other videos about my workshop, about my workbenches, the MFT style tabletop workbench. There's a whole playlist just over here, so you can check out all those videos. But guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.